Today we are working with finding our folder in Kali Linux. So unlike the graphical user interface environment like in Windows or Mac OS, there we have a graphical user interface, but in Linux we work with directories, which is like folder in Windows. So to find your current folder or directory, you'll need to use the command that says present working directory command. In short, it is pwd, which will return your location within the directory structure. So this enables us to navigate to other folders or directories from the pwd command. So when you enter it in the terminal, in our case it will return root. We are in the root directory, and root directory is just below the top level of the file system structure in Kali Linux. So that is how you find the present working directory. So in our case we are in root.